Welcome to the channel, a Jaden Chase. Now, ladies, may I say this? It is just not worth it. Of course, condolences to the family of 26-year-old Jayla. Now, Jayla went to an unlicensed facility in Florida. It no matter which part you go, the Dominican Republic, it no matter where. Now, she went for a Brazilian lift and also for chest implants. Now, Jayla never woke up from the anesthesia. Her mother was in the waiting area and watched as other patients were released, wondering why her daughter was taking so long since she has seen other people go in and other people come out. Now, Jayla's mother says she heard an ambulance approaching the facility, and that is when she was told by staff that her daughter had died. Another thing that is always surprising, when you see the women who are going to get these things done, you have to say then, why? These ladies already look blessed in every aspect. So you have to wonder why. Talk to me in the comment section. Now on to other stories making headlines today. Now, of course, condolences to Tanto Blacks and his entire family. Tanto Blacks told fans that his mother had passed via a post on his IG page. Now, Tanto Black said his heart hurts knowing that he will never have the opportunity to hug his mother again, eat dinner, or even laugh with his mother again. He says it saddens him to say that his mother has passed into another dimension. He says, nevertheless, he knows he will always have her in his heart. He says, I love you, mommy, and your spirit will live on with him, or within him rather. He says, I will forever be grateful for the times that they have spent together as a family. Jano. He then ended the post with saying, love your son, Tanto Blacks. And him also put the real rich. Seeing that it was a post on IG, I basically tell him I tell fans the situation. So, of course, him add him slogan tweet. Condolences to Tanto Blacks and the family. Now, people, L.A. Lewis said people are asking from all over the world why him never continue investigating the Donna Lee Donaldson's case. Now, what L.A. Lewis have to say definitely answers the question being asked, but also points to a different issue. Do Jamaicans feel like they're receiving justice from the justice system itself? And do they feel like adequate security is being given to the country by the ministry? Now, I couldn't even LA say they will contain the reason. Look, listen.
Oh, all right, my people, big up on yourself. So, right, so I kind of wake up late this morning. People are wake up too early. I don't know show them. So, anyway, if I get ready now to carry the youth them got school. So, anyway, Donna Lee case now, people. Whole heap of people call me from all over the world. They say, why me not finish solve Donna Lee case? People, me don't know what else to do because at the end of the day, I really don't know what else to do and what else to say because I wouldn't help me now, people. Remember, this was a case where even police said it now will get solved. This was a case where the family them give up. Them take to the street. When people take to the street in Jamaica or any country, that for sure said them not getting no justice and them don't say no way out except to take to the street. You understand? Anyway, me sort out. You understand? The whole world see it because we did it on social media. Gaia, get ready to go to school. Go on for your shoes. That is so ready. You understand? So, big up Donna Lee parents, you understand, her family them. But the outer door people them now for know say this thing deeper. Remember, Noel is now locked up. Him get charged. Remember, my guy as far as carry the brown envelope and that seal the nail upon the coffin, the brown envelope. You understand? When you see when Donna Lee auntie, when we were at the courthouse, and she thanked me. I said, boy, I am proud, don't know why you're not the brown envelope, you know. But you understand? So, big up the prosecutor, them, big up the judge, big up everybody. You understand? And big up you, the people, them, who has been through everything with us. You understand? But people, may I explain to Sister Sophie and tell her, Sister Sophie, the body get dismantled. Remember, you know? Because Donna Lee dream me, you know, people, and tell me. So the body get dismantled, people. And remember, you know, them bring with Donna Lee, you understand, people, before she rise. You understand? So, for me, trace a spirit now, people, I have to set a table and for find a spirit, people, who not have no body, people. Because remember, you know, the body will not be found. Nobody will be buried. You understand? So, Mama Sophie them I forgot do a thing for Donna Lee. But tell them to do a candlelight. Until now, them not do a candlelight. Remember, now we'll get all in the people. You understand? And the other party would have done jail already and would have get whole took. Remember, you know, I solve the case in the people. I find the coach. I get the care, I get the people them who wash out the blood out of the coach. I get them for do the confession. I send the police them go around there. So big up all of my Serg3ry police them, my Constant Spring Road police them, CIB, investigation squad, big up the forensic report department. Yes, and people, them do a good job. It might be slow, but them do a good job, people, because at the end of the day, if them never do them job, who would have a lock up? Because I can't take all the credits to the people. I'm going to big up Andrea Stevens to people because he has been there to people. You understand? But you know, when the nitty-gritty come down, people, at the emperor, I forgot to do the whole of the dirty works. I may have to in the streets. I may have to dig up grave. I may have to turn over stone. I may have to find dead body. You understand? And one bugger sitting. And what on for ask in this case? Them 21 dead body there, what I find? Remember 22 me really find out, but one of them get identification that are the youth dog at junction. The KFC youth, why him got KFC, go by KFC if him woman, and them kill him. And me even solve the case to people and give the parents a load on pana who kill him, but the parents them afraid. Yo, my brother person for the iron man. What do you man? You hear that? Yeah, man. So people, but the parents them afraid. Because remember, you know, the youth are dead down a junction, you know. Me already go tell the parents them, say, listen me, the people them who won the store, the security guard where your son work, kick off with the man and certain people in a war, then the people them come back and say they must kill somebody in the store, and boom bam bam, and couple after that, your son get kidnapped, and boom bam 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 bam. I tell the mother everything. I tell the father them everything. Wish I'm one of money me use and solve that case of people. Because I make sure the crime minister, Andrew Holness, said, you have to spend money if you want to solve crime. You can't do your house and the internet and solve crime, or do your bed and solve crime. Them things don't work. And I still not get the emperor and praise. Why you believe me ease down after solve crime solving? Because remember, you know, from last year till now, them serve 800 and odd unsolved crime. But they were missing, can't find. And me go find 22 of them. And the police, them now, at Demontown police station, the Clarendon police and certain other police, want me hand over the body them to. Until now, me not see the commissioner of police come out and say thank you. Me see them keep things, say them give an award. I mean, I see them call the emperor and give it the award. I mean, I hear who knows the people. I say, boy, you know, so true. The emperor should get an award because at 21 dead body, the man, 22 dead body, the man fine, you know. You understand? Plus, my lead up to enough case, plus a Spanish Town murder case for myself, people. What the police and they get a problem. So big up the Spanish Town police and because them carry me with them and them work alongside of me. And
Of course, the issues I would say I face. Jamaica is also a situation being faced by the diaspora, other Caribbean countries. As a matter of fact, the Minister of Security is probably still in St. Lucia or about to return from St. Lucia for high-profile talks, what is being classified as high-profile talks about security for the entire diaspora. Because majority of the types of crimes we hear take place in Jamaica is also taking place in other Caribbean countries as well. And while there are issues with the security forces being properly equipped, there are still people who are saying that justice itself or something where the state need to work on. As I'm saying, talk to me and tell me what you think. Is adequate security being given to the country? Or are there things that could be done better? What about the issue of security? Of justice, rather. Talk to me. Now, to the reason again, of course, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.